Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
In the bustling world of modern interior design, a trend has emerged that blends the warmth of traditional aesthetics with the clean lines of minimalism. This trend, known as warm minimalism, has found a particularly welcoming space in the heart of the home, the kitchen. Warm minimalism in kitchen design focuses on creating a space that feels both inviting and uncluttered, where functionality meets comfort and simplicity reigns supreme. At the core of warm minimalism lies a careful balance between form and function. This approach emphasizes the use of natural materials, subdued colors, and thoughtful design elements to cultivate a sense of warmth and tranquility while maintaining the sleek, clutter-free look of minimalism. One of the defining features of a warm minimalist kitchen is the use of natural materials. Wood, in particular, plays a central role in bringing warmth to the space. From rich, dark walnut to light, airy oak, wooden cabinetry, countertops, and flooring add texture and character, infusing the kitchen with a sense of organic beauty. Exposed wooden beams or ceiling panels further enhance this aesthetic, creating a cozy atmosphere reminiscent of a rustic countryside retreat. In keeping with the minimalist ethos, the design of a warm minimalist kitchen is characterized by clean lines and simple forms. Cabinets and countertops are often sleek and unadorned, with an emphasis on functionality and practicality. Integrated appliances and hidden storage solutions help maintain a clutter-free environment, allowing the natural beauty of the materials to take center stage. Color plays a crucial role in setting the tone for a warm minimalist kitchen. Soft, muted hues such as warm whites, soft grays, and earthy tones dominate the palette, creating a sense of serenity and harmony. Accents of natural colors, such as sage green or terracotta, can be introduced through textiles, decorative accessories, or even live plants, adding depth and interest to the space without overwhelming the senses. Lighting is another essential element in achieving the perfect balance of warmth and minimalism. Natural light is maximized through strategically placed windows and skylights, allowing sunlight to flood the space and highlight its natural beauty. In the evening, warm, ambient lighting creates a cozy atmosphere, while task lighting ensures that the kitchen remains functional and practical. When it comes to furnishings and decor, less is often more in a warm minimalist kitchen. Simple, understated furniture with clean lines and natural finishes complement the overall aesthetic without overpowering it. Open shelving provides a platform for displaying curated collections of cookware, ceramics, or books, adding a personal touch to the space. Incorporating elements of nature into the kitchen further enhances its warm minimalist appeal. Indoor plants, such as herbs or succulents, bring a breath of fresh air into the space, while natural stone or ceramic tiles add texture and visual interest to backsplashes or flooring. A vase of fresh flowers on the countertop or a bowl of seasonal fruit on the kitchen island adds a pop of color and life to the room. Ultimately, a warm minimalist kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's a sanctuary where form meets function and simplicity is celebrated. By combining the timeless warmth of natural materials with the clean lines of minimalism, this design style creates a space that is both inviting and effortlessly stylish, offering a welcome retreat from the chaos of the outside world. As we come to the end of today's video, I hope you found some inspiration and ideas for your own interior design projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and creative solutions for transforming your space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which design element you liked the most. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy decorating!